everybody. Today I got this cool Lego tow truck. Actually, it's a Lego tow truck with a big robber. There are two police vans, the police and the police chief. Actually, a police toy. Here's a look at the back. Looks like she stole the money and the diamond. Let's open this up. Ooh. We got bag one, bag two. I guess that much. Here's the complete set. Let's start off with the minifigures. First, we have the police chief. He's wearing a nice helmet. Yellow has like all Lego minifigures. Has blue pants, light blue t-shirts, a police badge. Next up, we have the police. She has a police badge, a helmet the same, a dark blue pants, a dark blue t-shirt, silver hands. I don't know why she has silver hands, like many figures usually have yellow hands. Last but not least, we have the robber. So he has yellow hands, silver pants, police chief's bike. It has ground wheels, black wheels for the outside. Next we have the police's bike. It's actually a motorbike. Has a walkie-talkie. Yeah, and two things here. Left. Now the robber's stealing.
Safe.
The safe.
Yeah.
Here's a look at the safe. It has a handle that you can twist and open. Here's a look inside it.
Oh wow, money inside.
Yeah, money. Of course that needs money. Yeah, and it has a little safe sticker here. And that's all. Yeah, a rectangle. That's all. Next, last but not least. And finally, we have dun 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 tow truck. Two orange things here. It has a black fixer thing right here. I don't know what this called. A little stick. Here's a look at
Crane.
the hook.
What's the crane here?
Not crane.
No.
It's the hook.
Okay.
The hook, it can move up and down. This can move up and down too. And the hook can move up and down. Here he comes. Got it. Go. Down. Leave me alone. We got him now. You're not going anywhere. Oh yes, I am. Yeah. Now you're not. You're going to jail. Oh yes, you are. To put him in jail. Go in the shop, please. You're going to get eaten. Come on. I'm going to be dead forever and ever and ever. No! I'm getting dead. We don't have a shark, so we're going to use the plesiosaurus. Come on, lower me into the water. Help me! Help me! Help! 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 How are we gonna stay up? How are we gonna stay open? Hey! Ah! Yeah!